Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Hope all are safe and staying at home. Post my return, after a week I received this huge box through courier and it's from my dad. Now let's see what's inside it. Thank my dad. He is so thoughtful that as I couldn't carry much with me this time, within a week he has sent me these mangoes. And when we receive the small gifts from our parents are from our dear ones, and the huge happiness that we get is immense, is irreplaceable. I hope everyone will relate with me. So just thought of sharing this with you all. So when I have so many mangoes to chunk with, I just thought like why not try some recipes with mango. So today I'm sharing with you all a yummy drink which is enjoyed especially by kids as they are the best admirers of this juice, fruity. It's so simple to make and you just need very few ingredients. So let's see how we can make this mango fruity at home. So I'll just show the ingredients. I've taken here 2 ripe mangoes, and for 2 ripe mangoes I have taken 1 small sized raw mango. Any raw mango you can take, but the ratio is 2:1. This is Safida mango as we call here in Delhi, or the Banganpalli as it's called in South India. Chop the mangoes and blend them in a mixer to a smooth puree without adding water. 1 cup of sugar, puree of 2 mangoes and puree of 1 raw mango. Citric acid, it's quite optional. If you have it, you can add 1/4 teaspoon. If not, you can use the juice of a lemon. Now into a wok, add in the raw mango puree, saute for a minute. Now in goes 1 cup of ripe mango puree. Saute well and mix in together. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add in 1 cup of sugar and mix in well. You need to mix this well until the sugar dissolves completely with the puree. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now you can see the sugar has started to dissolve and the pulp has almost 50% cooked. Now after cooking this mixture for around 15 minutes, we'll add juice of 1 lemon. If you're planning to store this juice, then it will stay for around 2 to 3 weeks. Then you can add lemon juice. It will act as a preservative. If you're going to consume it the same day, then please don't add lemon juice. Keep stirring in between. Consistency has changed. Now at this point, you may notice that the mixture is becoming thick. Now add in 1 cup of water and keep stirring in between. Check the consistency. If needed, add a little more water. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom and sides. Let it start to boil and boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now you can see the mixture is ready. Turn off the heat. Now this drink is ready. Let it cool down completely. Once it's completely cool, strain it through a sieve. Strain it completely so that if any residue or fiber is left. Here I'm adding a liter of chilled water, or else you can add regular water and chill refrigerate it. Now our refreshing mango drink is ready. Our delicious mango drink is ready, which looks and tastes same like fruity. Make this at home and enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If so, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I come back with another recipe, take care, bye bye.